Hey, what is going on, guys? So I'm going to show you how you can set up your AirPods where you basically with your double tap where you can do a bunch of things for the left ear as well as the right ear. Okay, so first thing is this. Let's just go into your settings here, and then you want to go ahead and make sure you go into Bluetooth. Your AirPods must be connected. Okay, mine says connected here. Then tap on the eye icon right there. Now you can see your left and your right. Okay, so if I tap on my left, now I typically have my play pause on there on my left, but you can change it to next track, previous track, or off. The thing is, doesn't matter if I leave it on play pause. If I double tap, it'll play. If I double tap again, it's going to pause. If I double tap, it'll resume or play again. Okay, so for instance, like this is on the left one here. So if I go ahead and leave it on play pause, if I start playing the music, I have to go ahead and tap it. And remember, the double tap, the sweet spot is where that little mic is. That little right there, all the way down to about 3/4 down. So anywhere around here you can double tap. That's the sweet spot right there. And you can see for the right side here, for my right AirPod here, I have it on next track. So what I do is I just double tap and it'll go to the next track. Double tap, it'll go to the next track. Okay, I can always change it to previous track if I wanted to, or play pause or next track. Now the Siri is pretty cool. So if I left my right AirPods as Siri, I can do all these commands plus more. So for example, what I can do is I can go ahead and double tap, and then you have to say it so Siri can hear you. If I double tap, I say play, it'll play the music. If I double tap and say pause, it'll pause. I can also double tap and say next track, or double tap previous track. Another cool thing too is you can also increase and decrease volume simply by having Siri up here. Only you got to do is double tap and say increase volume, or double tap and say decrease volume. So pretty simple. Any questions, issues, comment below.